Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to a delightful culinary journey. Today, we're diving into the world of fennel soup. This dish, with its subtle anise notes and creamy texture, is truly a comforting embrace. It's incredibly easy to make, even for beginners, and offers a fantastic way to enjoy a healthy, flavorful meal. Get ready to create something truly special in your kitchen. Before we start cooking, let's gather our ingredients. You'll want 2 to 3 fresh fennel bulbs. Trim their fronds for garnish, they are edible. Grab 1 medium onion, a couple of garlic cloves, and a liter of good vegetable broth. For that creamy touch, have some heavy cream or a dairy-free alternative ready. A little olive oil, salt, and pepper will complete our list. Our first active step is all about preparing the vegetables. Start by trimming the fennel, slicing it thinly, along with the onion and garlic. In a large pot, heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add your chopped fennel, onion, and garlic, then sauté them gently for about 8 to 10 minutes. You want them tender and slightly translucent, not browned, releasing all their sweet aromas. Once your vegetables are soft, it's time to add the liquid. Carefully pour in about 1 liter of vegetable broth, making sure it covers all the ingredients. Bring the soup to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. This slow simmer allows all the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures the fennel becomes incredibly tender. The final step is to achieve that luscious, creamy texture. You can either carefully transfer the soup to a stand blender, working in batches, or use an immersion blender directly in the pot. Blend until completely smooth. Stir in your cream or milk, season with salt and pepper to taste, and gently reheat if needed. Serve your beautiful fennel soup warm, perhaps with some fresh dill or a drizzle of olive oil, truly a comforting treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.